best locks and hardware. നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് ആക്സസറി സ്റ്റോളുകൾ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ കണ്ടു. ആൻഡ് ഐ തിങ്ക് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ആക്സസറീസ് ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ആക്സസറീസും കാര്യങ്ങളുമാണ് ഇവിടെയുള്ളത്. കൂടുതൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെയുള്ള ആൾക്കാരോട് തന്നെ ചോദിക്കാം. ഹലോ, आपके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बता दीजिए.
Okay, we are a company dedicated towards particle board furniture manufacturers. The industry is those who are manufacturing furniture on an industrial level, right? We are supplying them hardware goods and the accessories regarding furniture manufacturing.
Okay.
Yes.
And also, from how long you are a part of Hiff?
Hiff for 5 years, 4 to 5 years. 5 years.
Yes. Are you planning to have any expansion in your company or something like that?
Yeah, definitely. Hiff is a very good platform for the company. It's like a cult which is being developed. A lot of in the furniture manufacturing industry, right? And they have been doing good marketing, and it's actually working out well for even the manufacturers, vendors, everyone. It's connecting people in a very good way, actually.
Actually, we are so happy to have you here, and also we are expecting you in the upcoming years as well.
Definitely.
Thank you.
We'll find.
Hiff, Hindustan International Furniture Fair.